My bro, in the time age that we live in, absolutely everyone is interested on how they can make $10,000 per month as a student. But the thing is, there is a lot of BS out there and there are a lot of people telling you that it's much easier than it actually is. So welcome to today's video, bro, where I will give you 3 key components you need to focus on in order to hit your first 10K per month as a student. After you watch this video, bro, make sure that you click the link in the description, which will take you to another video where I break down how you can become the top 1% man in 2025 to not only make money, but also keep it and double it. So make sure that you check that out. So the first thing that you need to have in order to hit your first 10K per month as a student is a right vehicle. You need to have a real scalable way to generate that kind of income. You see, you need an opportunity that it's big enough, but not too risky, so you can generate that kind of income while still being a student. You need a right vehicle, a way to make that sort of profit, but also a way where you're not risking losing money that you already have. So the first step that you have to take basically is pick a business model that is the right thing for you. But not every opportunity is created equally. So here are the things that you have to look out for. The first thing, bro, that you have to understand, you have to pick a business with low startup cost. As a student, bro, let's face it, you probably don't have a lot of money. So skip trading and businesses that require a lot of money up front because it will burn you. You won't be able to handle it, you will give up too soon and then blame the world on why the business didn't work for you. The second thing, bro, you have to pick a business that is cash flow positive. You have to have a business model that can generate you profit quickly. And service-based businesses are ideal here. Think about editing or creating shorts for TikTok or Instagram or even thumbnail creation. These are all service-based businesses. But the key thing here to ask yourself is your skill ROI or convenience-based? For example, ROI-based skills can make you a lot of money because you're also helping other businesses make a lot of money. On the other hand, the convenience-based skills are a bit harder to scale and it's harder to talk about actual equities in the business later down the line, but also understand that both skills can get you to the 10K per month very easily. And the third and final thing that you have to focus on is scalability. You have to pick a business model that you actually think that it's scalable. You know, because a simple side hustle like editing or agency can turn into a full-on business with team members. And let me give you an actual example here so you can understand it better. Let's take thumbnail creation. Start creating high-quality thumbnail designs for YouTubers. Charge anywhere from 50 to 100 bucks, and once you have a steady flow of customer, hire a thumbnail designer from a country that has lower cost of living like Brazil, India, Pakistan. Pay him 20% cut, which will already be more on what his average salary is going to be in his country, and then his skills can bring your business another 3 to 5K in revenue. And all of this is called leverage, the ability to scale while actually working less. Then the second component, bro, you have to understand is stretch your timeline. Here is the thing, you know, making 10K per month won't come overnight. It took me more than a year to hit this milestone, but with all the opportunities that you have out there, I know that you can do it a lot faster. But the thing is, people give up too soon because they are not getting results as fast as they wanted. But also understand that social media is making 10K per month seems like a pocket change, but just really think about it. Even making 1,200 bucks as a student working online, having location and time freedom, it's amazing. The key is patience. So stop measuring your success in months, but rather start measuring in years, because all the work that you're putting in, all the progress, all this is gonna compound. And yeah, you're gonna have a flat periods of your life when you think that absolutely nothing is happening, that you're gonna stay there, but sooner or later something will click and then your income is gonna skyrocket also, because this is how growth works. The key thing here, brother, is that you stop comparing yourself to everyone else. Stop comparing yourself to those 14 years old who are already making $500,000 per year, because this is their journey and you're on your own journey. And understand that you will get results when it's the right time to actually happen. But also the third and final thing, bro, that you have to understand is that making 10K per month, it's only the beginning. The real challenge is staying there. So here is how you actually do it. You know, when you have a business that is already making you 10K per month, you have to start using leverage, because when you grow, you have to hire a team and use automations to actually take tasks off your plate so you can focus only on building new strategies and how you're actually going to scale the business. The second thing, my bro, you have to reinvest wisely. Don't blow out all of your profits on lifestyle upgrades, because yeah, bro, been then, done that, you're not gonna get anywhere. You have to reinvest them into the business so you can actually fuel the growth that your business needs. Whether it's hiring new team members, making new marketing, building new automations, you have to focus on sustainability. And the third and final thing, bro, you have to develop financial discipline, because making money is one thing, keeping the money, it's another. And whether you start with learning how to invest, you have to start learn how to save. But the most important thing, bro, you have to start developing a mindset of someone who is building long-term generational wealth rather than someone who is here just for the quick win. Because when you hit that first 10K, something magical happens, bro. Your identity is gonna shift and you're not gonna look at yourself the same way ever again. When I first hit it, bro, it became my baseline, and anything else just doesn't feel like me anymore. So understand, my brother, that everything that you're working is gonna be worth it. It's truly gonna be worth it, but the key step is then validating that baseline of 10K, because when 10K becomes your baseline, you'll naturally want to shoot for more. You want more, and those numbers will rise very quickly to 20, 30, 40, even 100K per month. It all seems possible. But the key step here is setting up the right foundation. If not, anything will collapse. So my bro, understand this, that success won't happen overnight, but with the right steps, it's inevitable. So if you like this video, bro, if you thought that it's valuable, make sure that you click the like and subscribe button, but also make sure that you check the video on how you can become the top 1% man in 2025, so you can finally win and make your parents proud. But my brother, as always, you're not alone in this game, and I'm here to support you. God bless you, my brother.